Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Baba G's farm. And we have a farm girls here today. We're going to be doing lots of farm work. You going to help me today? Do the farm work? Arya? You going to help me do the farm work? Look here. Arya. Arya, you going to help me do the farm work? Yeah? Okay. All right. You going to help me too?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You going to look after your little sister?
Yeah.
Okay, when we're working outside?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we do have a few things to do at the farm today. Tagging the little bulls, and then we're slaughtering a sheep. We're slaughtering a last left rooster. So that's going to be turned into plow or biryani? Plow, I think. And we're doing a kadai. So
And even I'm sick.
you're sick. So Yusuf and Yasmin been staying with us since Friday. Mom and Dad have been having party at the beach. What?
Yes, and even my mom.
What she's saying is it's Mommy and Daddy's anniversary, and that's why they went on holidays.
That's why she holidays.
Mushtaq, what's your odds? 1 out of 100?
Yep.
You're right.
All right,
Let's go.
I'm gonna go and sharpen the knives, and you guys get the rooster. First job.
The rooster.
Yeah, here we go.
Splash. They call me that. Psych. Let's go.
All right.
Hello, Ari, look. Ari. Arya. Uh-oh, what's happening there?
How do I grab
What's
one?
happening
What?
there?
What?
Jalapeno.
Mushy.
There you go.
Mushy.
Yeah.
How does Abba normally grab them? By the head, by the foot?
He grabs it. He
By
picks
what?
it up
By what?
by the body.
You gotta look after them.
Ari's here. Are you, baby? Pink, come. Ari, hold still. There you go.
So is this one name what?
Huh?
This one I gotta get, right?
I don't know. What did Abby say?
Watch it, watch it.
Or not?
Nay, nay, nay.
That flies.
Let him know. Wait, was it that one we need?
We need this one.
That was like smooth. He was the one getting beat up, so.
But I don't know how we're gonna get him though, no? He's recording.
Oh.
Is it that one? Oh. Got it.
Here we go. Arya, you want to pat him?
I was wondering, there is one spring missing from there. I just realized now it's over here.
Arya, you want to pat him?
You want to touch?
Yeah.
Here, touch him.
Ari, pat. Ari, pat.
him.
Touch him.
Yay!
Lovely. All right.
Are you hungry?
He's nice and fat.
Yeah, he is nice to say. He looks
Like
like a good salad,
you.
mate. Adi, where you going, John?
She's doing in the garage.
She's going to the garage.
Yeah.
Where's the garage? Over there.
Yeah.
Gotta be careful, there's a big hill there, John. Bye. Adia.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye.
Be careful. Watch out for snakes. Okay, so slaughtering's done. To go and get the rubbish bag. Hey, Yusuf.
Hi.
What you doing? What you doing? Did you finish your schoolwork? You finished your schoolwork?
Yep.
That's good. I'm proud of you. So you're allowed iPad now? I'm proud of you. Poor Yusuf's feeling sick. Huh? Mr. Dunn? What is Dunn there? Love you, John. I need bag. Can I please have bag? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Have fun. I'm Cleo. I just gotta tell Dad the good news of having a bag. We got a bag, so now let's go. Poor buggers. I just lost a brother, son, nephew, I don't know. Let's go. Hey Dad! Abba! I got a bag! Oh yeah. I can't film this part, it's a little bit gruesome, but I'll update you later. So the deed is done, mate. Ugh. Let's go inside. Let's go surprise the kids and see what they're doing. Nice house. Where's the kid? Where's Aria?
I don't know.
What are you doing then? You daydreaming? I don't want to do this, I'm scared. By the way, just a quick thing to tell you, Mob. I'll be making more videos too, because I want to fix these bikes, right? I don't know what to do, so I'll bring that on a journey with you. So this is this bike. I want to fix this big quad bike. Big one. And then that dirt bike at the back there. That's my next job. Not next, but whenever I get time. I got time now, this is good. Just home, studying, try and find a job until I find a job. Chilling. Mushy, if you make this shot, I'll give you $10 right now. From there. From the middle of the carpet. If you make that shot right now, I'll give you $10. She can stay inside. Yeah, hold on.
You have to go out now.
Nah, no $10 for you, that's it.
It went in.
Okay. $10 if you get it in from me.
Give me that money.
Nah, that's alright, I'm leaving. Bye. Look at Mushy, look at him, look at him. I don't know if you can see him. But he's doing work. I know. Once every 3 years. A rare sight, this one.
Hi!
A wild Mushy doing work. Not the best of work. Mate, can I ask you something?
What?
What the bloody hell is this? No, come back
I'm
here.
coming back to it.
You better bloody hell come back to it.
I will, just watch.
Yeah, you just watch. Look at it. What is...
Watch my progress.
Look! My progress. Look at doggies. Hey doggies. One's Sultan, one's Finley. How you doing? I'm not touching this lead because it's very scary. So I'm just gonna go this way. Oh. So this here is a contraption that it's for giving those cows and bulls over their earrings. So we're gonna write whatever we want on here, mainly their birthday, and then clip them in. It'll be my first time doing it. I'm excited. Let's go.
Can you close that gate there so they don't...
Done. Now I just gotta get in here, close it, and then Dad's gonna bring them around downtown. There you go. Just gotta make sure to scare them into the paddock. You see these two babies? So there's one small one there, one behind that one there. We gotta give these two earrings. Look, Dad. Skinny man. We don't gotta do this one? No. Alright, sweet. You want me to do it? Yeah. You can hold this now and I'll lock it. Okay. Muscle. Okay, so we've got these guys cornered. Hubba's closed them in. We took out the bigger ones. I thought it was just gonna get annoying. So now Dad's just gonna say he's closed that. There's a little lever right there in the middle of the screen. You might be able to see it. Right. This is the lever. You pull this open, and then Abba can also close it from there too. So, you wanna close this one? Yep, close this. So close this one. Stuck in here.
Yeah. Then come up.
Abba, what happened?
We failed.
We failed, alright. One got out, the other got out, and then now they're just everywhere. So.
That's alright. We'll do it next time.
Yeah.
Let's do the shoot.
Alright, let's go do sheep. This was the longest 2 hours of our life, hey Abba?
And hardest.
Kasam se yaar. And he's scary too. It's like he like looks at you, right? And he's like, I'm gonna get you. But then he just run away. Oh,
You just
he didn't
don't
run
go
away.
in front of him.
He didn't run. He would back into a fence, Tiga, bum into a fence, and he would look at you. He's like, come on. Come on.
But we got him eventually.
Yeah, thanks to Dad, bloody football tackled him.
And Moti. Well,
Moti,
good job,
mate.
Moti.
Moti was very good.
Moti.
Good job.
How many steps you did in 2 hours? 10,000?
Must have been.
Oh, not so bad. We didn't
He
go
went
much.
swimming, you know.
Yeah, he went through the dam as well.
He got scared. He went
That's
swimming.
why Moti is with.
That's what I know.
No, Moti
He
didn't
went.
go.
He was thirsty. But this one, he went full swimming. Look, he's dry now too. We've been chasing him for that long.
Yeah, he's what. Anyway, let's get
why
into
do you have to
let's get into him.
Daddy,
let's go.
why do you have
This guy was early this morning watching boxing, and now look at it. We are waiting for lunch, almost ready, waiting for Atik actually. And that's the kaleji from today. Mom's making rotis.
Go. Now. Yeah. Look what a Nika made. Ready?
That's the rooster,
What? The rooster.
krai,
Wow.
and look at that, plow, chicken plow.
Chicken.
Very good.
And what am I having?
We have
Stew and rice, man.
stew and rice from yesterday.
Yeah, mate.
And look at this. That's all that meat, not just that. We've got the other recipe full as well. Yeah, I reckon about 70 plus, which is for a sheep, that's a lot. Look at that.
So what were you when you came?
2 recipes full.
What were you before?
What do you think? This is a basketball ground? Go. Go to Chachu. Lunch is ready.
Daddy?
Yeah, better.
It is funny. The cat has a bucket stuck on his head.
Well, there's covered around, guys. Come on. She's wearing mask.
Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah.
You're not coming close to your car? Oh, she's hitting that side. You're not after you. You have to get to that. On my land.
You take him in that one of the corner there.
In the corner. Maybe a jumper 10 to go.
Very good.
Come on, hold it.
Don't let it go. There you go. Yes, you go. He's free. Thanks, guys. Okay, everyone. Well, it's been a busy day, even though we didn't show much. We chased the cattle quite a bit for no purpose. Didn't get to do what we wanted to do, but anyway, it was a good practice for rounding the cattle. And then we got the sheep done. Just finished actually cutting the meat. There's a couple of big pieces left, which we will do on the machine tomorrow. I still got 2 more days off. Yes, 2 more days off. And then we will.
Watch these days go so fast.
Huh? Yeah, no, 2 days will go
Watch
fast.
these days go so fast.
I know, they will go fast. I still got quite a few things to do. We meant to do heaps of things in these week and a half we took off, but we didn't really do much.
Also, just say sorry I'm not in the intro. Bye, I love you.
So Lali said bye. But yeah, we will, Lal is here now, and every weekend we can do a few things. I still got 2 more days, so got to do a bit more weeding and stuff, but we'll do whatever we can. Have a great week, and we will see you all next weekend. Okay, Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz, bye.